God is dead. God remains dead, and we have killed him. This appeared in Friedrich Nietzsche's book, The Gay Science, in 1882. But what did Nietzsche mean when he said it? While not completely atheist, Nietzsche rejected Christianity's God as he thought it imaginary. The concept of God was losing its power and influence in European society. Nietzsche thought of the death of God as a necessary step in human evolution. It gave people the ability to take control of their own lives and create their own values and meanings. People were forced to confront the fact that there was no divine authority that told them what to do. So now you know why Nietzsche said,